Never stop and never settle. I'm just a brown boy from the ghetto.
Family tree.
Harlem was a great starting point for me because it is hard to come up out of the city. For me, I always said if I can make it in New York, I can make it anywhere. I know that's kind of cliche to say, but it's true.
Yeah.
New York is really the concrete jungle that built me to the person I am now. Very strong, multi-layered. You can make something from nothing, literally. And I just get inspiration from everywhere. First knew I was an artist, I was in my dad's car. I was like, give me something to do. So he just got me a notebook and I started drawing. It kept me like in a trance for hours. It was almost like I was creating my own world. My process is weird. I just stay at the canvas forever. I kind of just let the canvas come up with the idea for me. I definitely go through the same emotions creating artwork, paintings, and creating artwork music. It's all thought-provoking, and it's like what you're trying to say. My painting style is, I would have to say, abstract. I don't want to paint the world how everybody see it. This picture of me tying my do-rag reminds me of like Rambo getting ready for the jungle before he goes to war. I'd rather be Matisse and be a rock star with it and paint the world the way I see it. Why conform? Transform.